Hey guys, welcome to the channel Learn with KAURG. Hope you all are doing good. This is Gurleen Kaur and in this video I'm going to teach you the usage of the article the. We are often confused when to pronounce it as the and when to pronounce it as the, right? So in this video I'm going to clear all your doubts. You have to keep only two things in mind. First one is a vowel sound and second one is a consonant sound. Whenever you use this article before a consonant sounding word, you pronounce it as the. But whenever you use this word before a vowel sounding word, you pronounce it as the. For example, the universe, the end, the story, the mobile, the television. Alright, so let's just sum this up in a sentence. For example, this is not the end of the story. Hope this is clear to you. Keep learning.